Hello everybody, I'm Scotty. Welcome back to Scotties Clock World. Courier has just delivered this large box from the auction. I bought some Cuckoo clocks the other day. We'll unpack them and check them out and see what we've got. Take all the pieces out first and we'll open them up one at a time. Obviously weights there, more weights there, a clock there, another clock there, and another set of weight. Right, we'll get rid of the box, put them all aside, and we'll start looking to see what we've got. Move that over there. We'll look at this one first. I don't know which is which, but we're about to find out. And do the bubble wrap on it. There. There's the chain. There's our chain, looking a bit on the rusty side. We'll clean that up. There's the Cuckoo clock. I bought that from the auction. The doors come off its hinge. We'll look at that later on. Just have a quick look and see what we've got. Pendulum leader out the bottom. Actually, we'll have a look at that when we get inside. Alright, that's the first one. Put that over there. That pendulum goes there. Now we'll open the second one. Take the bubble wrap off it. Been wrapped up pretty well, which is good. Here's the next one. Put the bubble wrap away. There we go. There's all the chains down the bottom. That's the second Cuckoo clock there. Put him aside. Then we'll do the third one. Done. There's the next one. Plenty of chains out the bottom. All the chains are there. That's the front of the clock. They go there. That's our three clocks. One set of weights. Two sets of weights. Three sets of weights. Looks like all the weights are here. Then we'll undo the extras we've got here. We can find the end of the sticky tape, we will anyway. Yep, coming undone. Whoop, there we go. see what we've got here. Pendulum is obviously for the end clock there. That's a pendulum for the middle one. We've got a set of bellows here, or the pipes actually, set of pipes. We'll see which clock they come from soon. There's the tops, the bellows. Paper's not in too bad a shape on those, so I'll replace them. It's getting a little bit worn. And that's the new batch of Cuckoo clocks we've got to work on. If you want to learn how to service, repair and restore 19th and 20th century mechanical clocks, then subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell.